can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Uniswap. Uniswap is up 37% over the last one day, up 75% over the last 1 week, and in the last 1 month, Uniswap has rallied up by 51%. How high can Uniswap go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Uniswap currently trades around $9.2. Looking at Uniswap performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Look at Uniswap's performance against Ethereum. Also look at Uniswap's market cap, which currently sits around the $5.8 billion level. With Uniswap doing Zcash, ICP, and pumping aggressively, is Uniswap the next runner in the cryptocurrency market? Look at sentiment in the market. There's still some fear in the market. We're not yet in an altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is showing some early signs of decline. How low will Bitcoin dominance go? How will that affect the price of Uniswap? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Uniswap currently has a market cap of $5.8 billion. Uniswap over the last 24 hours has seen a 530% increase in 24-hour trading volume. Fully diluted market cap for Uniswap sits at $9.21 billion. Uniswap's all-time high happened on the 3rd of May 2021. Uniswap was trading for as high as $44. Right now it's down 79% from that all-time highs. If you look at Uniswap's performance against the US dollar, over the last 3 years, it's nothing to write home about. But guys, historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made. The final phase of the market cycle is where market participants go rigs on, and that's where we see all coins pumping aggressively to the moon. In the case of Uniswap, Uniswap currently, the key levels to watch out for Uniswap in the coming days and coming weeks. The $19 level is going to be very, very interesting. In December of 2024, we saw Uniswap getting to as high as $19 and then getting rejected there. That will be a critical level to watch for. But the big one, or the previous all-time high for Uniswap, around $44. We saw Uniswap getting there in May of 2021. And in May of 2021, the rally was very swift for Uniswap. The rally was very easy. We saw Uniswap start pumping. The final pump was very, very easy for Uniswap. There was no lot of accumulation. 2021 was a crazy year. Uniswap in the last 133 days of the market cycle went up 1,300%. But since the 2021 bull market, Uniswap has struggled since 2021 bull market when Uniswap was trading around the $44 level. After that huge decline we saw, which was a 92% down to Goblin Town, Uniswap has struggled to rally past the $19 level. From 2022 June, when Uniswap got to the $3 region, we've seen it pump. In the 2022 level, I've seen it pump more than 400% from the bottom. But the $19 level has been in the line in the sand. Uniswap has been stuck in this range for more than 1,246 days. At some point in time, we'll get out of that range, and I believe we're getting very, very close to that point in time when a lot of altcoins will start pumping aggressively on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. If you look at the general altcoin market, over the last 1 month, Zcash is up 87%, Dash is up 75%, Uniswap now has pulled up a 50% move, Filecoin is up 57%, Euro, Trump. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, are expecting to see more coins pumping aggressively. But the only way you can enjoy those pumps is to buy when it's low and to sell when it's high. Uniswap rallying past the $19 level is going to send a lot of FOMO. We're going to see a lot of market participants rushing to buy. And that's how it works, guys. Market participants are always scared to buy at the low. They're always excited to buy at the highs. We saw Uniswap on the 10th of October coming to as low as the $4.32 level. Right now, we're experiencing the exit pump in the altcoin market. For Uniswap to get to the $19 level and to see Uniswap rally up by more than 112%. And if the momentum is strong, if Uniswap start pumping aggressively, we can go higher than that. The $30 level will be on that critical level to watch out for Uniswap. Uniswap getting to $30, it's going to be very, very easy. The $30 level, we need Uniswap to pump by more than 234%. And in the altcoin market, guys, you never want to say never. This is the most liquid market in the world. This is the most volatile market in the world. Huge moves can happen over the course of 24 hours. Imagine shorting Uniswap yesterday and it pumping by more than 40% today. Liquidated, and a lot of market participants in that position, they fell for the mantra that all coins are going to dump. There's still going to be altcoin season, and even though Bitcoin has gotten $200,000, a lot of them went short the altcoin market. And right now, this altcoin is pumping. I'm sure a lot of market participants will just be getting liquidated. Uniswap rallying past the $30 level will mean just one more level remaining. That will be the previous all-time highs. These are critical levels for Uniswap in the coming days and the coming weeks. And Uniswap could easily pull his Zcash, pumping to new all-time highs. For Uniswap, a 400% pump to the upside, we see us getting to new all-time highs. But sentiment is down in the cryptocurrency market right now. You expect, with all coins giving us double-digit gains on a daily time frame, with all coins pulling their weight over the last 1 week, you expect to see some greed in the cryptocurrency market. But we are so down bad, guys, that even with all these moves we've seen in the altcoin market over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month, the vibes in the market is down, sentiment is down. There was even extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market this time last month. There was extreme fear in the market last week, and right now we're walking our way out of extreme fear into fear, hopefully towards greed in the coming days and the coming weeks. Your number one job in the market is to buy when the prices are low, to sell when the prices are high. If you look at some key details about Uniswap, Uniswap's fully diluted market cap sits at $9.2 billion. Uniswap's circulating supply is around 630 million tokens, with total supply at $1 billion. Uniswap all-time high on the 3rd of May 2021, where all coins were pumping, and in retrospect, that was the top of the cryptocurrency market. If you want to buy some Uniswap tokens, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, or Uniswap on Bybit, on Upbit. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Uniswap tokens right there. Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance tokens. If you look at Uniswap's performance against Ethereum, the last 2 weeks has been glorious. We've seen Uniswap outperform Ethereum. Historically, guys, a lot of smart players flip their Ethereum and Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market in the final phase of the market cycle, and you see those altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming Ethereum. I won't be shocked if Uniswap is on its way, crazy heights. Uniswap is on its way to give us 300, 400, maybe as high as 500% pump against Ethereum. Usually, guys, these pumps usually last 28 days, 35 days, max 60 days. So don't be shocked if we enter December with market participants euphoric, market participants greedy, expecting us to continue pumping to the moon. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we're going to be good time to take some sweet profit off the table. If you look at Uniswap's market cap at a $5 billion level, is very important to pay attention to the market cap, because a lot of these tokens can see their market cap getting to new all-time highs, while price will still be languishing way below the all-time highs. Uniswap's market cap found some difficulties around $11 billion. That was in December of 2024. The next critical level will be the $18 billion level, and then we'll attempt to pump to new all-time highs, and that will see Uniswap market cap probably passing the $23 billion region. From where we're currently trading, for Uniswap to pull such a move, we need to see it rally to new all-time highs by more than 322%, which can happen very quickly. If you look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not in an altcoin season. Right now, market participants are still scared. The best time to buy these altcoins is when we're not yet in altcoin season, because at some point in time in the future, we're going to see altcoin season, and the only way we can see we're in altcoin season is 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance is still rising, technically, according to market participants, but I believe Bitcoin dominance is setting up for one big dump to Goblin Town, and that big dump to Goblin Town can send Bitcoin dominance to as low as the 50% region. That will help Uniswap, that will help the altcoin market, and that will see a lot of whales getting liquidated. A lot of market participants that have been shorting the market, expect them to be crying as we see altcoins pumping to the moon. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see the altcoin market going in the coming days and the coming weeks? When will you be selling your Uniswap tokens for some sweet profits? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.